We're at Combs Ranch today in Santan Valley. We'll be looking at the beautiful Hillary by Taylor Morrison. Taylor Morrison is a fabulous builder here in the Phoenix metro area. Love their homes, and as you'll see, you get a lot of bang for your buck here in Santan Valley and by Taylor Morrison. This is a 2,300 square foot home, and it has everything. And of course, if you would like to see this home, I'd love to show it to you. Remember, just give me a call. My phone number and information is right here. And without any further ado, come on with me. Let's take a look at the home. Wasn't that an excellent tour? What a beautiful home, again by Taylor Morrison here at Combs Ranch in Santan Valley. I would love to show you these homes. I have a fabulous relationship with these builders here. I'd love to show you other homes here in Santan if you would like. Just give me a call. I will be glad to help you find your real estate dreams. As always, if you would like to see more information about Santan, I have several other videos that you can take a look at. Always remember, I'm always just a phone call away.